Welcome to FlowSpeak English Episode 1. I'm really happy you're here. Today we'll spend time on a simple cafe conversation, but we'll stretch it out, practice a lot, and give listeners many examples so they can repeat and feel confident.
Yes, welcome. We'll keep everything clear and slow. We'll act out the scene, talk about the phrases, give variations, and practice together. No narrator, just the two of us. Ready?
Ready. Before we start, a quick note. If you're listening, try to repeat out loud when we ask you to. Speaking is the fastest way to improve.
Exactly. Okay, let's warm up with a little chat. What's the most common question you hear in a cafe?
For me, it's, what can I get for you? Or what would you like? It's friendly and short. How about you?
Same. And sometimes you hear, what can I get started for you? Or, what can I get you? Slight variations, same meaning. Good to know them all.
All right, let's act out a full cafe scene. I'll be the customer first, you be the server. Then we'll switch roles and do it again with small changes.
All right, here we go.
Hi there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a medium latte, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can I also get a chocolate muffin?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
That will be $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a moment. Good. Now we'll do the same scene but with small variations so listeners hear different words and structures. I'll be the server this time.
Great. Hi, can I get a small Americano, please?
Sure, do you want room for milk?
Yes, please. And could I have a blueberry scone as well?
Absolutely. Anything else?
No, that's it. How much do I owe you?
That will be $4.50.
Here's my card.
Thanks. Your order will be ready at the counter in a few minutes. Nice. Notice small differences. Can I get versus can I have? How much is it versus how much do I owe you? All natural.
Let's slow down and explain key phrases. First, what can I get for you? It means what would you like to order? You can answer with, can I have, I'd like, or just the item name.
Examples. I'd like a cappuccino, please. Can I have a tea? A latte, please. Short and polite.
Next, would you like it hot or iced? This is a choice question. You can answer simply, hot, please, or iced, please. You can also add small talk. I'll have it hot. It's cold outside.
Good. Another phrase. Anything else? The server asks this to check if you want more. You can say, no, that's all, or yes, a croissant, please.
And here you go. You say this when you give money or a card. It's casual and friendly. Example. You hand the card and say, here you go. The server might say, thank you.
Also useful. That will be followed by the price. Example. That will be $6. You can respond, here you go, or do you accept cards? Or can I pay with cash? Let's give listeners more variations in practice. I'll say a phrase slowly, then repeat it with a variation. Repeat after me. Can I have a medium latte, please?
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Do you want it hot or cold?
Anything else?
Would you like anything else?
That will be $6.
Your total is $6.
Great. Now a short role play where we add small talk. I'll be the customer and I'll add a line about the weather. Hi, can I have a large iced coffee, please? It's so hot today.
Sure, large iced coffee. Would you like any syrup?
No, thank you. Just milk, please.
Okay. Anything to eat?
Maybe a banana bread. How fresh is it?
We baked it this morning. It's fresh.
Perfect. That will be great. How much is it?
That will be $7.20.
Here you go. Thanks.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Listeners, Notice how we added small talk. It's so hot today, and the server answered naturally. Small talk makes conversations feel real. Now, let's practice pronunciation and rhythm. I'll say a sentence slowly, then faster. Repeat both times. Can I have a medium latte, please? Can I have a medium latte, please? Would you like it hot or iced?
Would you like it hot or iced?
Good. Next, a short mini quiz but in conversation form. I'll ask and you answer in your head, then say it out loud. Question 1. If the server asks anything else and you don't want more, what do you say? Question 2. When do you say, here you go? Think of a moment in the cafe. Question 3. If someone asks, would you like it hot or iced? And you want cold, what do you say? Nice. If you answered out loud, great practice. If not, try again now.
Let's give listeners a few extra phrases that are useful in cafes. I'll list them and give a short example. Can I get this to go? Example. Can I get this to go, please? Means you want takeaway. I'll have the same. Use this when you want what someone else ordered. Example. I'll have the same as her, please. Do you have any dairy-free milk? Useful for dietary needs. Example. Do you have almond milk? Is this gluten-free? For food questions. Example. Is the muffin gluten-free?
Okay, final practice. We'll do a longer role play with more lines so listeners can shadow us. I'll be the customer. You be the server.
Hi, good morning. Can I have a medium cappuccino, please? And do you have oat milk?
Good morning. Yes, we have oat milk. Would you like oat milk in your cappuccino?
Yes, please. Also, do you have any vegan pastries?
We have a vegan banana bread and a vegan muffin. Which one would you like?
I'll try the vegan muffin, please. Anything else?
Would you like sugar or cinnamon on top?
Just cinnamon, please. That's all. How much is it?
That will be $8.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Your order will be ready at the counter in a few minutes.
Perfect. That role play included questions about milk and dietary needs. Very practical.
All right, we're almost done. One last tip. Practice these lines every day. Record yourself, listen,